Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Puah Wulandari with student ID number 12320600066. On this occasion, I would like to present my seminar proposal entitled The Effect of the Learning Cycle 5A Model Assisted by Flashcard Media on Student Critical Thinking Skill in the Respiratory System topic. The background of the research is critical thinking is one of the most important skills in the modern education curriculum. Student critical thinking skills in Indonesia are still relatively low. One contributing factor is the implementation of one-way or teacher-centered learning, especially in abstract topics such as the respiratory system. Therefore, the implementation of a constructivist-based learning model such as the Learning Cycle 5A supported by flashcard is necessary. Research questions. The first, how is the implementation of the Learning Cycle 5A model assisted by flashcard in developing student critical thinking skill in learning the respiratory system? The second, what is the effect of the Learning Cycle 5A model assisted by flashcard on student critical thinking skill in learning the respiratory system? And how do students respond to the implementation of the Learning Cycle 5A model combined with flashcard in understanding respiratory system concept? The objectives of the research are to describe the implementation of the Learning Cycle 5A model assisted by flashcard in developing student critical thinking skill in learning the respiratory system, and to analyze the effect of the Learning Cycle 5A model assisted by flashcard on the improvement of student critical thinking skill in learning the respiratory system, and how analyst students respond to the implementation of the Learning Cycle 5A model combined with flashcard in understanding respiratory system concept. I hope this research can provide both theoretical and practical contribution and benefits. The theoretical benefit is to development of biology education through the integration of the Learning Cycle 5A model and flashcard media to enhance student critical thinking skill. The practical benefits are for teachers an alternative innovative learning model, for students to enhance motivation and develop systematic thinking and in-depth analytic skill, and for research to broaden practical insight into designing, implementing, and evaluating innovative biology learning. To support this research, I developed a research framework that illustrates the initial learning condition. Then, I applied the Learning Cycle 5A model assisted by flashcard media in the experimental class and conventional model in control class. It is expected that the learning model can significantly improve student critical thinking skill. Regarding previous studies related to my research, I include 3 out of 10 previous studies. There are the studies conducted by Susanti, Solihah, and Valentina. Each study showed positive results regarding the learning cycle model or focus on flashcard media. The research kept in my study is that I integrate both of them. The research hypotheses are the following. Null hypothesis. There is no significant effect of the Learning Cycle 5A model assisted by flashcard on student critical thinking skill in learning the respiratory system. Alternative hypothesis. There is a significant effect of the Learning Cycle 5A model assisted by flashcard on student critical thinking skill in learning the respiratory system. The research method approach quantitative numerical data analysis statistically. Research method quasi-experimental, population grade 12 senior high school student, sample experimental class and control class, and sampling technique purposive sampling. Research instrument, validation sheets, test instrument, pre-test and post-test, and questionnaire sheets using a Likert scale. The data were then analyzed using statistical analytical tests, including normality test and homogeneity test. Hypothesis test examines significant difference between the experimental and control class, and gain test measure the effectivities of the treatment, and questionnaire response analysis. The research procedure begins with the preparation stage, which include problem identification, learning planning, and instrument development, instrument validation. The implementation stage include the pre-test, learning implementation, post-test, and questionnaire administration. The final stage include data analysis, data processing, and conclusion drawing. That concludes my seminar proposal presentation. I welcome any suggestion and constructive feedback. I apologize for any shortcomings. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.